Hi, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to schedule posts on X. So for this you should use your preferred browsing system instead of using X application. So open x.com, log into your X account, and now in the bottom right corner of your screen you want to tap this blue plus button to start writing a post as usual. So let's type something, for example this one. Of course you can edit some photos or videos, you can add GIFs, or you can add poll to your tweet. And finally, to schedule your post you have to tap this calendar icon right here, and this is schedule page where you can set date and also time. So let's tap here and select, for example, for tomorrow, and also let's set some time at 5 p.m. and finally I want to press confirm button, and when everything looks fine with my post, I'm ready to publish it. I want to schedule it. I want to tap button schedule in the top right corner of my screen, and now you see this message that my post will be sent on the set date and time. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.